Let me just get in some BTST trades quickly before we wind up for the day. Kunal?
I'll go with two buy calls. Hindustan Copper is the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. 300 as a target. Stop loss could now be trailed to 272. And the second would be Bharat Electronics. That's a stock which is breaking out of that 200 barrier. So would suggest a buy with 214 as a target and stop loss at 193.
Right. Naresh, what about your stock strategies, BTST?
So for first would be a buy on Hindalco. Good breakout here in the short term and follow up. Stop loss at 554, target price of 565. Second is a buy on Glenmark Pharma, related strength here as well. Stop loss at 947, target price of 980.
Okay, let me now hand it over to Vinny, find out how the day has been so far.
So absolutely, we started the day on a red note, and that's where the benchmark indices are ending as well. The Nifty is closing on down 0.4% in trade, just slightly off the day's lowest point, but 22,000 is what it's managing to grip on to. Other than that, let's look at the Sensex as well. That too closing with cuts of almost 0.5% in trade, down almost 350 points for the day. Broader markets, that's where we saw the green coming in, and that's where we saw the outperformance coming in since the get-go. Broader markets, that's in the Nifty mid-cap as well as the small cap, pull those charts up. That managed to see strong gains of almost 1%, more than 1% for the Nifty mid-cap. Small cap holding on to gains of 0.5% in trade at the end of the day. And a lot of these names that actually dragged the market, when you look at it in terms of the large cap names, we did have Reliance, which was seeing a bit of a fall coming in. So that's something that weighed on the Nifty 50. HDFC Bank, Infosys, ICICI Bank, all these are the stocks that weighed on the Nifty 50. While in terms of the mid-cap, what did well for the Nifty mid-cap today, when you look at it, in terms of the up move that we saw came in from Torrent Power, Dr. Lal on the back of a brokerage note. We had Oil India, Indus Towers, Max Healthcare, as well as Tata Chemicals, which managed to hold on to good gains in the mid-cap space. Skipper Limited, that saw very good gains as well on the back of a brokerage note that we saw this morning. And this was a brokerage note that came in from Incred, and they initiated coverage on Skipper. We had Avenue Supermarts, that saw a run-up in trade. Avenue Supermarts saw the biggest and highest level that we saw in terms of the share price coming in since almost October 2022 today intraday trade, and closing with gains of almost 3.5% is Avenue Supermarts. Other than that, RVNL, HAL, Mankind Pharma, Paradeep Phosphates, all these were the stocks that we saw some bit of a move coming in on the back of news flow today. And that's how we are wrapping our day. Broader markets doing much better than the benchmark indices.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.